Hello everyone, this is Gabriel from Ace Vacuums in Fairfax. We are located at 11110 Lee Highway, Fairfax, Virginia. Today we are going to be talking about how to avoid getting dirt into your Miele Vacuums dirt compartment. So here we go. Miele Vacuums have been trusted in households around the world for decades. The company is known for its wide selection of powerful upright and canister vacuums. If you're tuning in, you probably own a Miele vacuum or might be interested in knowing about one. In today's video, we are going to talk about the bag holder, how to change your bags correctly to avoid getting dirt into your Miele vacuum's dirt compartment. Before we get into it, I would like to ask you all a question. Have you ever opened the bag chamber on your Miele vacuum and found dirt or debris in there? If the answer is yes, then this video is for you. The reason why there is dirt inside your Miele vacuum, you guessed it, is because the bag was not inserted correctly. Let me show you the correct way to insert the bags. Lift the release button and open the dust compartment lid upwards until it clicks into place, just like that. The filter bag has a flap that automatically closes to prevent dust from escaping when the bag is removed. Grasp the collar and remove the filter bag from the holder, just like that. Insert the new filter bag into the blue holder as far as it will go. There you get a click, so it's perfectly aligned in. So note, do not unfold the filter bag when you take it out of the box. Unfold the filter bag in the dust compartment when possible. Now close the dust compartment lid until it clicks into place. Take care not to catch the filter bag in the lid. If you do not insert a replacement filter bag, the dust compartment lid is designed not to close. Yeps. Do not use force. You might break it. Easy and done, right? Not really. What most videos won't tell you is that every time you open the dust compartment lid without changing the bag, especially on the complete C3 models, the bag is pulled back from its original secure position. If you close the lid without pushing the bag all the way in, there is a very high chance that the dirt you vacuum up is going to miss the bag entry and leak into the dust compartment. This happens because the port is not correctly aligned with the dirt entry. So next time you're checking on your vacuum bags, make sure you push the bag all the way into the bag holder till you get that clicking noise to avoid flooding of dust into the dust compartment. This will avoid damaging your filters and, most importantly, failing your motors. I hope this video has helped you all. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and share this video with your family and friends. If you have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section. And this is Gabriel signing off from Ace Vacuums, Fairfax. See you all next time.